This is insane. Every single time I open YouTube, I will always be suggested a video on my feed that I am able to understand English, but I cannot speak English at all. I understand it very well, but the minute I start speaking, either I get stuck or I forget the words. I honestly find it very funny because see, I don't know why don't you understand that there's no secret or there's no magic behind mastering a language. I mean, why do you think that as English learners, especially those who are able to speak in English fluently or at least they are able to communicate in this language properly, know some secret? Because I remember I have spoken with a lot of people and many times I came across this question. I was asked this question repeatedly that just tell me any secret, tell me the best way. Trust me, there's no secret, there's no best way, there's nothing. It just requires the right strategy, it just requires the mindset and only your time. That's all you have got. This is something I never understand. I mean, just answer this question to yourself that you know everything, you know the right strategy to learn this language, you know what are the required steps you must follow to become fluent in this language or to reach to the point where you are able to speak about any topic. You know it, right? Then why do you keep going back and why do you keep watching the same video or same types of videos that you must follow this step? Because again, everybody will be recommending you the same thing. Every single person out there who is able to speak in English fluently have gone through this phase, have gone through all of these steps. They did follow them religiously and now they have reached to the point where they are able to speak fluently. It's as simple as that. And please don't get me wrong. I'm saying all of these things because I have been through all of these phases. I know how it feels when you desperately want to learn English, when you want to communicate properly in English, when you don't want to be made fun of. You really want to learn this language and you think that probably there's some secret or there's some formula that if you follow them, then you'll be able to learn this language faster. See, I'm saying this because there was a time I started learning this language, and at that time I was not even able to understand English properly because I've never been to an English medium school. I have never lived in an environment where I got the perfect exposure to learn this language. I've never had anyone with whom I could practice, but still I am here and I'm able to speak in English fluently. And it happened not because of the right time or because of some secret magic pills, not at all. I mean, sure, this question will always come up in your mind that probably there's some secret and I'm not aware of that because I thought the same. I was expecting people to just tell me any secret so that I can learn this language faster. But unfortunately, there's no some secret or there's no some magic at all. So the only way to become fluent in English is to stop watching such videos and start adapting the habits that meets your requirement. So the only thing I am recommending you to do is consume as much as you can because consumption is the most crucial part when it comes to learning English or mastering anything. So you cannot skip this step. And once you have consumed enough, now it's time to produce. Because no matter what you have learned, no matter what you have consumed, if you are not producing, if you are not creating, then it does not make sense at all. And by saying consumption, I mean you can listen, you can watch, you can read, you have many options. And when I'm saying that you have to produce, you have got two things. You either speak as much as you can or you write. And again, you can follow all of these steps at the same time, but again, it depends on you. So I feel consumption and production are the most important things when it comes to learning English. If you are desperately looking for some secret, so the only secret we have is dedication, patience, and time. I think that's all you need. Because I think we allowed ourselves a lot to make mistakes. We allowed ourselves to uh, not do the right thing. We allowed ourselves to doubt on our potential. But at the end of the day, if you follow all of these steps religiously with consistency, and if you are having the right and positive mindset, I think you don't need any secret at all. You will be able to become fluent in this language very, very soon. And I really mean it. So that's all about this video. Thank you so much for watching this, and I will be back with an interesting video very soon. Bye bye.